Singita Lebombo, Station 09, a landscape of raw elegance, where the silence is as vast as the horizon, and the air carries the ancient scent of the sun-drenched earth. Here, luxury is not found in things, but in the space between them, in the way the glass mirrors the sky, and the architecture dissolves into the rugged cliffs of the Sea. We practice the art of walking, not to reach a destination, but to inhabit the journey. Every step is a conversation with the wild. Every touch, a homecoming. This is Active Zen. In the presence of the masters of the savanna, we find a shared language of stillness. No words are needed, only recognition, only respect. The path is a circle, a journey back to the self, carved into the red sand. It is a sanctuary of focus amidst the infinite bushveld. When the stars take their place, the world falls away. Under the indigo veil of the Milky Way, the internal path meets the cosmic one. In this solitude, we find our true center. Singita Lebombo, a milestone on the silent path.